Hey guys, so today I have ordered a tiny little airplane that actually flies. So it's a very tiny toy airplane and it actually flies. At least they claim it flies. So I wanted to check it out, and I have flown toy helicopters before, but not a toy airplane like this tiny at least. So I really wanted to check it out. So I ordered this one. So let's check it out, and let me open it up, and after checking it out here, we will go outside and I will show you if it actually flies or not. Top we have a user manual, very standard packaging. The airplane is the biggest part inside here. On the left we have a remote control, on the right we have charging cable and the glue and some extras like repairs in case you break anything. Let me bring out the first the accessories. We have a charging cable, a glue, so it will charge by power bank or your laptop, that kind of charging cable. Some extra wings in case anything breaks, some smaller rotating wings, not sure what is this one. So overall some extras. On the remote side we have a very standard remote, go forward, left, right, on, and this is for lights. So that means that it has lights as well. I think these are for left or right as well. Not sure about these ones. Oh, on the back side, it accepts 3 AAA batteries. So you have to insert 3 AAA batteries in this remote for it to work. Now the last part and the most important and exciting part is the airplane. So lightweight. I'm not sure what kind of material is this. It feels like this material, but it is even lighter than this one. And it is extremely light. This one feels like plastic. Okay, this one is not even plastic. This is more like a balloon or something like that. Extremely lightweight. We have the 2 smaller wings here. On the bottom we have this small little tires, and this part is for the battery, and you will be able to remove it and charge the battery here as well. The battery is removable, like you can open it up and bring out the battery and insert another one, so battery is removable. And in here we have a tiny on off button as well. Before turning it on, let me insert some cells, batteries inside the remote. Okay, I have turned it on from this button, and it has started blinking, which means it is waiting for the airplane to come online. Very tiny little on off button. You can see the lights have turned on, which means it is ready right now. It's still blinking. Maybe I have to press some button. Okay, ready. Now I have did this and moved it up and back, and it stopped blinking, which means it is paired and ready to go. So let's see. Cool. The sound is like real airplane, and it's really quick to fly. I mean, we will take it out and fly it right now. I'm just so don't worry about that. Cool. So it definitely works, and I'm now that I have seen it in action, I think it will definitely fly. So let's take it out, and before I take it out, let me tell you how much it costed me. It costed me around 20 to $25, but whatever the price will be, you will be able to see it right here. And I will also leave the link to buy this one in my video description for anyone interested. And yeah, let me know what you guys think of it after watching it in action. So let's go outside.
Good.